In today's video, we will share with you why you should start your chili seeds in January, and we will show you the quickest method to sprout your chili seeds.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
So without further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start gardening.
Today is the 17th of January 2025, and I hope everyone has had a good start to the new year. It's been a few months we haven't uploaded a video, and the reason is it's the winter season and nothing has been happening out here in the garden. If you love growing chilies like we do and you live in a colder climate such as the UK, you should start your chili seeds indoors in January or at least before the end of February, and that should be a good time. This is because chilies need a long growing season for the plant to mature and start producing pods for you. Here in the UK, the gardening season is not that long, so you need to maximize your time and start your chili seeds early so that your plants grow, mature and produce, and that you have an early and longer harvest. The key to make your chili seeds sprout is to provide them with warmth and moisture. You need to provide them with a temperature above 20 degrees Celsius for them to sprout. Although they will sprout below 20 degrees Celsius, they will take much more longer to germinate, and there is a risk that your seed will rot. But if you provide them with a temperature between 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, your seeds will sprout very quickly.
Normally, we do all the messy stuff inside the greenhouse and then bring our seed trays indoor during winter month. Now today it's too cold to stay out there, so we decided to do all the messy stuff inside, show you what equipment you need, and those of you who are new to gardening, show you how to sow your chili seeds. So I'm going to be using seed compost. These seed compost are more finer than your normal compost. It has less bits and pieces in it. So this compost is a lot finer than your normal compost. So to get a good result, use seed compost. So make sure to break up all the lumps. So I'm going to be sowing my seed in these modular seed trays. Fill up your seed tray with your seed compost. Now, using your fingers, push the soil down slightly. Today I'm going to be sowing my favorite chili, which is the Naga chili. And I'm going to place 2 chili seeds in each module. So if one seed fails to sprout, I have a backup. So I'm going to put 2 seeds in each module. Now bury the seeds. To have good success with your seed germination, you need a heated propagator. Now I'm using the most basic setup here. You can buy these equipments from your local garden centre. Here in the UK, I bought them from B&Q. This setup cost me about £4. This is a tray, and this is a cover to cover your seed tray. Basically this seed tray goes into this tray here, and you cover the seed tray, and the bottom tray collects water that drains down so that you don't get a messy house. This also has a vent on the top, so to control the temperature and the condensation inside. Now, to heat up this propagator, I'm going to be using this electric heat mat. Now, don't forget to add water to moisten the soil. So make sure you give enough water so the soil is moist up to the bottom of this capsule here. All done. So now I need to plug this into a socket and then place the propagator on top of the heat mat. And hopefully within 7 days the seed should sprout. And when I see the seedlings pop out, I need to take the propagator off the heat mat and put this propagator on a brightest sunny windowsill.
Hopefully on the next video, we will give you an update on the seed tray and we will show you how to take care of your seedlings. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to like our videos. And please don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.